How to delete your Mobile Legends account. First things first is go to your phone settings, scroll down and find apps, press on that, go to manage apps, and then tap on search apps, type Google Play services. From here, all you have to do is tap clear data and then just press clear cache. Now you go back, and then second thing that you need to find is your Mobile Legends app. From here, all you have to do is do the same process. Tap on clear data and make sure you comply both of these options right here. You tap clear all data, and then once done, you go ahead and clear cache. Now once everything is set up, if you run your Mobile Legends app, it will reroute you from scratch, meaning you'll have to log in with a different account. And then just a reminder, if you want to create an account with Mobile Legends, make sure that the email that you're using does not have or is not connected with Mobile Legends at first. So that's how you delete your Mobile Legends account.